YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special, I think it's an Amazon unboxing video. Hopefully everyone had a good day, everybody is safe. This is coming from SAMEAT. SAMEAT? I have no idea. Bada boom, SAMEAT. Awesome towel warmer. Ooh. Rapid heating, 25 minutes, fast. Pure wood handle. Heat preservation, 1 to 4 hours. 25 minutes fast heating, extra large towels, bathrobes, blankets, you name it. Hand towels, probably. Ooh. Extra large capacity, quickly heating, thermals, bucket. Perfect gift for this holiday season. Towels, blankets, clothing too. Look at that. There we go. Now we're going to open it up and give it a test. Alright guys, here we go. Pretty deep inside. You can fit a couple things in there. And it says hot surface. Be careful. Make sure your kids don't touch it. Here we go. SAMEAT. That's what it looks like. Good size. There's a wood tip. Some kind of filter. Kinda. It's not even heavy. Be right back. I gotta get some towels. Alright, we got a pretty good size bath towel and a hand towel. We're gonna use that. I gotta plug it in. Alright, we are plugged in. Good to go. I'm gonna give this a dump in. Bada boom. Bada bing. So maybe 2 towels, bathrobe, a couple hand towels, workout gear. You could do clothing. Power, we'll do hot surface. Switch. I think that's it. Let's see if I got it right. Hold up. There we go. We got them going. Takes a second to warm up. And then make sure they're not totally soaked or, damp. Fresh off the dryer or in the closet, Well, I can feel it. We'll give it a few minutes. Definitely don't got a half hour to sit here and wait. But if you, at home, throw it in there for a little bit. Should do its job. But yeah, definitely for like bathrobes, and stuff like that after your shower. Before you take a shower, throw your bathrobe in the warmer. Take your shower. By the time you're done, you got a nice warm robe. Let's see now. But yeah, it's going to be hot, so be careful. Oh yeah, I can already feel it. I mean, you can't tell, but I already noticed a big difference. Whoa. So this thing is pretty cool. I like it. So thank you guys at SAMEAT for sending me this unit for review. You can always check them out on TikTok Shop or on Amazon. They got the Prime Day sales coming up. Prime Big Day deals. So click the link down below, which is my affiliate link, and see what other goodies they have to offer. Until then, oh yeah, definitely a lot warmer. But like I said, it's going to be hot, so be careful when you dig your hand in there. You might want to shut it off or unplug it and then pull it out. Let it cool down for a minute. You never know. All up to you. But yeah, it's going to be hot, especially if you set it for like 4 hours. Then definitely it's going to be hot. Hot. So, alright, YouTubers, check it out. Have a good night.